Virgo, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 16th of March. Virgo, let's see what is up in your reading. Virgo, the Hermit, okay, the clothed man. Let's see what is in your messages, Virgo. Okay, first card out, we have both. Okay, receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, and closure issues. We also have the Dragonfly. Be lighthearted, finding out, things come to light, adaptability and change, Virgo. All right, let's go ahead and go into your Virgo. So you're dealing with adaptability and change, and you're also dealing with progression. All right, so I was getting also this morning, Virgo, something about, Virgo, I feel like, I don't know if this is your daughter or your son. I don't know if you're a mentor, but I feel like at first, somebody may have given you the inclination that they wanted to do something just like you, Virgo. And you were like, at first I feel like you were like, no, you can't do this, it's too much hard work. You don't know the work it goes into to produce this type of creativity, right? And then you saw that somebody was really good. And I'm getting, they may have had no professional training. You're the one who probably never even trained them. But I'm getting, you say, wow, this person good. And then Virgo, I feel like you were prepping the person. You start prep them, you start putting them through little initiations to say, you know what, you can be like me. You can do the exact same thing I do, but I have to put you through training. And I feel like at the end, Virgo, somebody didn't even want to be like you. And you're saying, I'm getting, you said to yourself this morning, I wish they followed in my footsteps. I feel like Virgo, maybe I feel like if someone followed in your footsteps, maybe you could have mentored them. Maybe you could have a authoritative figure over them because you've been in the business longer. I'm getting someone is doing something completely different, Virgo, that the clothed man cannot teach them. And I'm getting it's disappointing to you. I'm not sure if it's disappointing to you because you wanted someone to mentor. Or I'm getting you put up all these barriers for somebody to go through when the person didn't even want to be in your field, Virgo. I'm getting you're sad because you wanted somebody to be like you. Somebody admires you, Virgo. And even if somebody wanted to do the same thing you do, Virgo, they do not want to be like you. They want to be better. They want to be greater. They want to be more wealthier. So, yeah, Virgo, let's go ahead and go into your reading. But I'm getting something is disappointing you. Like you're saying, if this person went into this industry, if they did it like me, they could have been big. They don't want to be like you, Virgo. They saw what being big did to you, your health, your reputation, your life, and more importantly, your family. Somebody want to be wealthy. Them don't want to be rich and famous. Let's go, Virgo. The clothing man. We have the Fool card coming out first. Freedom, Virgo. And this could be the clothed, the old man. Me getting them at work, you work, and you're old. When do you die? Did you sign your life away to the Illuminati? Because me getting you free now, Virgo. Maybe somebody wanted you to be a mentor to somebody who was coming into the business while you wanted to retire. I'm getting you retiring, you're out. That's it, Virgo. Yeah, the Fool card, that's the first stage of the tarot, the zero. The Fool. We also have the Nine of Swords. We have the Star card. I'm getting, Virgo, you're jumping into a new leap. Maybe this is someone else. We're getting someone knows that it's going to make maybe the family unhappy. It's going to make you unhappy, Virgo. But somebody have a destiny to fulfill themselves. It doesn't matter what you want to see somebody be in life. Somebody have their own destiny to fulfill. Somebody have their own birth charts to go by. It's flattering that you would want to aid somebody in them hopes and dreams. You can aid them, Virgo, but it's not your show. You had your time already. It done now. Somebody else, I feel like you're just making somebody wait very, very hard. If you're a celebrity, I feel like you're saying it's really hard work. There's a lot of criticism for you to deal with. There's a lot. Well, the person dealt with it perfectly, beautifully by themselves. They never ran to somebody and say, the internet is bullying me, I can't do my job, I can't show up for work today. They never ran to you and said that, Virgo. I feel like you're jealous because someone's taking stardom better than you are. So I'm getting do not fit, the moon card. I'm getting the lovers card. And this could also be something about a relationship, Gemini. Oh, you might be dealing with a Gemini, a relationship, Virgo. You and Gemini shares a Mercury. Come and getting you feel bad going into stardom. You feel bad taking this journey alone. It's your journey. It's your journey. Nobody can tell you to slow down, speed up, stop, break, or switch it. It's your journey. Feel like a Virgo wanted you to follow into their footsteps. You don't wear the same size shoes they wear. You can't. Now, this could also be something about a Gemini, because I'm getting you thinking to yourself, if you're a celebrity, I'm getting, listen, you need to understand that your boyfriend or your girlfriend, them feel very insecure or them feel very jealous about you. So at some point, it's either you're going to have to choose continuing following your dreams, or you're going to have to choose to be in a relationship. Now, if he loves you, he will make you chase your dreams while he watch you. But you went from the 0, the initiation, to the 17 card, the star, to the 5. You went from 0 to 17 to 5. You should have went from 0 to 5 to 17. So you got the freedom. You're on your way to build your own career, your own reputation. And now you're looking at a boyfriend. You know, like when Doja Cat performed our song and she was like, there's no ring on my hand. Yes, Doja, there's no ring on your hand because you went from 0 to 17, the star. Now you're going from a star, going back down to look for a lover. You have to complete the wheel first. You're getting you have devils to face. Maybe you have insecurity problems. Maybe you're scared of being cheated on. Like me, right? I'm not really scared for being cheated on, enough, to be very honest. It's just that if me is cheated on, there's no room for negotiation. We have to end it there. Even if my memories of you has been beautiful. Virgo, you're not a part of the reading, Virgo. So I'm getting this is something you're spectating. I'm getting you want somebody for you're the devil. We have Gemini and we have Capricorn here. We're getting you cannot separate somebody from this work. Whatever, maybe you feel like somebody chose a wrong niche, a wrong industry. They are exactly where they belong. Perhaps if they were in another industry, they would have been depressed, suicidal, they would have back out. We're getting someone's right where they are, and we're getting something about a Capricorn and a Gemini. Maybe your aspirations is to make somebody go into Hollywood alone. They will enter Hollywood alone. They're not. Nobody else in Hollywood though. We got the devil card. Oh. This message has been sponsored by Hydro Canada. Hydro Canada wants people to know that if you plan to go into the social media industry, worse, if you plan to be famous, you better pay your electricity and your hydro bill. Hydro Canada wants to inform all Canadians that even though you want to be a star and show your titties online, you still have to pay light bill and water bill. Hydro Canada. Hydro Canada. Make Canadian residents question, why the fuck are we paying 2 bills when you get electricity from water? So then we'll enter the, and I'm getting Virgo, you need somebody to enter it alone. Somebody has already been through their initiations already. Anything else them doing is basically icing on the cake. I'm getting you're upset, Virgo, or you're scared because you don't know. Me getting, usually you could have control someone's destiny. Usually you could have tell somebody what to say, what to do, who to go to, where's the connections, when to be on TV. Me getting, because the celebrity is chasing their dreams without you, you can't predict something. And I'm getting someone's doing it all by themselves. Like you, Virgo, the clothing man, is one man on a hill. She's one woman with her titties out. She's still making it work. I feel like you are baffled to know that somebody who has the aura of the star card, naked, can maybe follow their own dreams and not need help to produce their own dreams. See, you want someone to follow in your footsteps, Virgo. Somebody has been watching you. They studied you to see everything you did wrong so them can know how to get it right. Again, maybe you wanted somebody to go into the industry alone. They will go into it alone. That don't mean they're going to fuck off Hollywood. Me getting somebody already bind to a Gemini or a Capricorn. It ain't going nowhere. So you can use the person image or the person's marketing themselves as the sole talent, because I don't think the relationship has anything to do with it. Their talent, but at the same time, Virgo, me getting, you have to back off. This is not your territory. It's not your lane, Virgo. Me getting, you wanted someone to come in your lane so you could dictate everything for them. Someone isn't entering your lane, and that scares you. Let's go, Virgo. You didn't even show up. So I'm getting whatever you're trying to control, Virgo, it is out of your control now. We have MK Ultra. Yeah, you wanted somebody to follow in your footsteps. Getting, they don't want to follow in your footsteps, Virgo. We have Pluto. Pluto is the coldest planet. We have Virgo, the clothing man. I'm not gonna lie, Virgo, if you don't want me to. We understand your success. We understand the foundation that you have built for people to come. But Virgo, you have had your time on the wheel. It's time for you to focus on your health. I feel like you want to be more of a helping hand in someone's career than they put off. I'm getting, Virgo, you'll have a helping hand if you're around. You cannot have a helping hand now. There's too much talk, there's too much bad press going around, which the person knows, for you to get involved. You might say that if I was mentoring this person, they would have never got themselves in this problem. Virgo, the initiation is for them, it's not for you. Worse if you're a man. It's the games, the contracts and the games are different for men and women when them enter in Hollywood. That's why you never see a lot of women around P. Diddy, except Cassie. I'm getting, Virgo, allow somebody to go through them initiation alone. When them get on and everything well, then they can be a part of the story. You cannot be a part of someone's story if they're going through hazing. Virgo. We have Mercury. Mercury rules Virgo and Gemini. I'm not sure if you're trying to choose who this woman is going to be with. Because right now, she's choosing herself. She's choosing her own dreams. You're trying to choose who she's going to be with. That's already decided already. Jupiter rules luck. And we have... Oh, sorry, I didn't like that. We have Evil and Venus. Virgo, you got to step back, Virgo. You got to take a step back, Virgo. This is not your lane. Times have changed, Virgo. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.